Hey everybody, it's Marcia from Kansas Misfit. I'm glad I got my okra planted today after I got all the weeds out of it. And now, look, it's raining, coming down pretty good. Look at that. Rain, rain, rain. My husband was taking the groceries in and it's raining so hard we couldn't go back out to get more groceries. Hope it don't flood. At least the okra's getting watered, that's one good thing. And the cucumbers and the peppers and the tomatoes. And I trimmed up that crabapple tree, which I'm not done with, right over there. Boy, it's coming down pretty good. I still need to put the chickens to bed. I'm sure they already went to bed on their own, but I need to get out there and close them up. So, hope it slacks down enough to do that. Just wanted to share this with you. Wow, what a day. They just replanted the field across the street today too. So hopefully they got it all done before it started raining. Can't see lightning, but if you can hear thunder, you're close enough to get hit by lightning. So they say. I mean, this is going to be a short video, guys. I'm not going to waste your time watching the rain. Look how much rain we got over here. Sitting by the house. I hope I can still get in my garden tomorrow. While I'm making this video for you guys to see, my daughter just sent me a video of the rain in her yard. So when I get off here, I guess I'll watch her video. Maybe I'll just add it to this video so you can see what it looks like in town. Well, I think that's what I'll do. I'll add her video to this video, and then we'll make it a little bit bigger. So I guess let's do that.
This is what it looks like when you have a house without gutters. And then you get nice big old dents in the ground. And then puddles everywhere. Yay! Not.